writer, filmmaker, artist, and creator of ritual magic. For years, I've dreamed of creating something truly magical, something handmade, intentional, and deeply rooted in honoring the wheel of the year. Today, I'm inviting you into that vision. Every season carries its own magic, its own rhythm, its own invitation to pause, breathe, and reconnect. Ostara, the spring equinox, is a sacred moment of balance, where light and dark meet as equals and the world begins to bloom again. The Pure Dawn Ostara box, crafted entirely by hand, by me. Every candle is hand-poured, every herb, crystal, and charm is chosen with intention to support renewal, harmony, and the gentle courage it takes to begin again. Inside your box, you'll find a curated ritual experience. A 12-ounce Ostara candle, gemstones aligned with balance and growth, herbs for awakening and fertile intention, a spell scroll to guide your seasonal ritual, a symbolic charm, and a sage stick to cleanse, clear, and prepare space for what's ready to grow. This campaign also includes handmade Sabbat soaps and incense sticks, created to reflect the unique energy of each turning of the wheel. And for those who want to deepen their practice, there are exclusive add-ons, each designed to support and honor your sacred space. When you back this project, you're supporting a one-woman apothecary, True Goddess Apothecary, and helping me bring this living, breathing wheel of the year to life. Your support doesn't just help me create, it helps me grow. And as we reach stretch goals, even more magic is unlocked, expanding this journey and carrying us forward to the next Sabbath in the cycle. Thank you for being here. Thank you for believing in handmade magic, seasonal ritual, and sacred intention. May this Ostara bring balance, renewal, and beautiful beginnings. Blessed Ostara, and blessed be.